Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add image in the Photopea app. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's get started. First of all, find the Photopea app on your home screen. Now open it. Now, to add the photo, tap onto the Simple Editor button right here. Then, you can either add the photo from your library or you can take the photo. Now choose one from one of these options. If you want to add from library, simply choose from library. Now here you can see a lot of photos from your gallery. Then simply tap onto the photo where you want to edit. Now you can see the photo has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the image to your Photopea app. Now enjoy editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.